Welcome to the Message of the Chart YouTube channel. In our Message of the Chart channel, always we are emphasizing that there is no much need for using the indicators while studying the chart. Just the information related to the price and the volume is enough to do profitable trades. We are taking the eClerx chart as a case study to check and establish that it is indeed possible to trade profitably using just the volume and the price. But don't forget, you'll have a look at the company's site to know what the business they are doing. Basically, they are a computer software related business. They just have several divisions like customer operations, digital and financial markets. They are more important in today's pandemic where a lot of work from home and other things are happening. So it's a ever growing industry. The IT industry is ever growing. This belongs to the software industry where even pandemics will add to the businesses rather than affecting the businesses. Now we will have a quick look at the financials. eClerx services, return on capital employed 24.7. I am happy. Return on equity 19.4. Very nice. Debt to equity 0.12. Very nice. The lower this debt to equity, the better for our analysis. So all other things are available here. We will just have a look at the profit and loss account. If we see the profit and loss account, the sales is increased from 257 crores in March 2010 to 1564 crores in March 2021. That is almost 6 times increase in sales in 11 years. Good. And now one observation immediately attracting me is so far they were paying no or very less interest, but last 2 years 2000 and 2021 they are paying 20 crores as interest alone, which means they might have got some loan. Their debt may be more compared to the previous 2019. Let us check it. So if you see the balance sheet, the borrowings, it was nil, then it was in single digit. In 2000 and 2021 it is increased considerably. Presently it is 175 crores loan, and that is the reason why the interest outgo is more. Where they are using, probably the fixed assets they are increasing compared to this 2019 period where the borrowings were almost negligible, 2 crores. The fixed assets was 348 crores, whereas now when the loan is 175 crore, the fixed asset has increased to 728 crores, almost more than double compared to 2019. So that means that they are borrowing and increasing their fixed assets. They are investing in their infrastructure or something. We are able to know from these balance sheets. We'll have a look at the shareholding pattern. Always I used to see the shareholding pattern, and whenever there is some increase or decrease, immediately I just go and consider about it. Here it is increase, it is a good one. From 2020 to June to September 2020, they have increased their promoters' shareholding. Almost it resembles the same period when they increased their borrowings. That means the promoters have invested their own money. Additionally, they borrowed money to improve their infrastructure. That is what I am finding here. And FIIs from 15 crores, they have increased to 18 crores. And DIIs is having reasonable decent holding of 15 crores. Public is reducing from 10 to 11 and then again 9.67. That means the public is selling and they are FII and DII may be buying. We will have a look at the chart. eClerx services monthly chart I have taken. Immediately we have to concentrate on the volumes. Here good volume. If you see this chart, the all-time high was 1785 somewhere in August 2016. It came down up to 320 in March 2020, and from 320 in March 2020 now it is 1800, above 1800 it is trading. It has gone up to this month, it has gone up to 1874 almost. The point is from 2016 to 2020 it came down, but once the volume is available here, it started climbing up very soon, within almost 1 year and 3 months or something like that. We have covered all the fall, and we are bound to go up also if everything goes well. Nothing is guaranteed in stock market, but the emphasis of our message of the channel, message of the chart channel is, whenever we find a considerable high volume in any chart, immediately we can safely enter. See, the worst scenario, our loss is this much, because this much volume they have entered, even anything goes wrong, they will never let it go below this level. For accumulating purpose, they may allow temporarily go up to this level, but in the long run they won't allow. So even if we don't enter exactly with them, we can wait for the previous swing high, this one, that is around 710 levels. When the price crosses decisively that level, we can enter. Even if we are missing that opportunity, the previous swing high, which is around 1190, there we can enter when it is crossing considerably. Then this is another point, but the difference is very less, but momentum players may play that also, because within weeks they will get very good return from here to here. Now also it is poised for a good up move, because they are increasing the fixed assessments, they are expanding their capacity, and in coming days the business is going to be good only. Pandemic is also over, but the culture developed for using the IT services is going to increase only from here. So we are always on the lookout for such shares where the unusually high volumes are appearing, and I will try to present as many videos as possible as per my time limitation, many number of videos incorporating the high volume charts, so that the viewers can benefit out of it. Once again I am reminding you, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell any shares. This is how we can read the share. That educational purpose is the sole motive of this message of the chart channel. Hope this video is useful to all of you. Let us meet again with one more interesting, not one more, many more interesting videos in the days to come. Bye bye from Nathan.